Dear viewers or students, in this video we will deal with exercise 1.2 of chapter number 1, that is number system. So question number 1 here is of true and false, and you have to justify your answer. So question number 1 is every irrational number is a real number. So this every rational number is a real number. This question, this true and false is true, because so you will write here answer number 1 part is true because real numbers consist of both rational and irrational numbers, because real numbers contains both rational, that is the numbers which we can predict in the form of P by Q or express in the form of P by Q, rational numbers, and irrational numbers. So this is true. So every irrational number is included in real number, so it is true. Second statement is every point on the number line is in the form of under root m, where m is a natural number. So this statement is false. The statement is false. Why? Because no negative number can be the square root of any natural number. So here we can write negative numbers do not depict the square root of any natural number. So we will write here this is false, because no negative number can be square root of any natural number. Number third is are the square root and number third question, true false is every real number is an irrational number. So real numbers, as you all know, includes rational and irrational numbers. So every real number is not only an irrational number, it may be rational number also. So this is false, and you will write, for example, 13 is a real number but not an irrational number, because it is a rational number but it is not a irrational. But you can take any other examples also which is a real number but not an irrational number, or it may be an irrational number. Vice versa is also true. Then question number 2 is are the square root of all positive integers irrational? No, that is not true, because irrational number, all positive irrational numbers are not the square roots of all the square roots of all positive irrational numbers are not square roots. So in this you can take an example. Suppose you will write here answer number 2, you write answer as no, and for example under root a if is equal to 3, if this is the answer, and this may be the answer, but 3 is a rational number, it is not an irrational number. So this is false, or you can write no here. Then question number 3, answer number 2. In answer number 3 you have to represent under root 5 on a number line. So for this, how you will make it, I am not drawing it very accurately, but I am just telling you the method to draw it. For this you draw a number line. In the center you mark it with 0 and take a unit length. Suppose A I have taken here, OA you take it as a unit length, 1 centimeter you take it here, and now you draw a perpendicular at A of again unit length, that is 1 centimeter. Okay, the unit length OA and unit length AB. And now if you go according to Pythagoras theorem, join this B with O, this hypotenuse will be under root 2. According to Pythagoras theorem, this will be under root 2, 1 square plus 1 square, and that will be 2, and under root 2 will be the AB. Now if you have to depict under root 2 on this number line, we will measure it with the compass, and then you can make an arc. You put the compass here, take it the distance, and then you can mark 1 under root 2 here on the number line. And similarly again we'll draw at B a unit length, that is 1 meter, and again join this line here, and this line will now depict under root 3 because this is 1, this is under root 2, and if you calculate you will get the hypotenuse under root 3. And similarly you continue to do this. Again unit length, again you join this line, this you will get as under root 4. Again you draw a perpendicular of unit length and join here, this will be under root 5. And now you measure this under root 5 and draw the arc of similar length here. So this will be an O, or suppose I mark it as M. So OM will be under root 5. Here. So this you have to take your pencil, scale, and then a compass, and then you can easily draw this spiral to show or depict under root 5 on the number line. Similar question is given in question number 4, in which you have to construct a spiral. You have to keep on drawing in the same way which I have told you here in the number line. You have to continue to draw this, and you will get a beautiful snail-like spiral in this question. So this is just activity. If you want, you can do it, and in the comment section you can share please try to draw it in your notebooks or wherever you want, and then you can share the pic of this beautiful spiral in the comment box. In the next video we will deal with exercise 1.3.